Okay, so now that you've chosen diagonal, what you want to do is that if you look up here in the top corner, your 1 and 1 should be really close, then your 2 and 2 and your 3 and 3. And so all we're going to do is we're just going to take our ruler. I'm going to use a smaller one to start off with, and I'm just going to line these guys up. I'm going to line my 1 to 1 up. I'm going to line my 2 to 2 up, my 3 to 3, my 4 to 4, and I'm drawing from dash to dash, not number to number, dash to dash. So where the dash touches my frame. And I'm just going to keep going, and you want to draw lightly. I'm drawing a little hard so you guys can see what it is I'm doing, but you want to draw lightly. Now, if and when you touch your line design inside here, you're not going to draw through it. So watch what happens here. Stop, start, and finish. So I'm not going to draw through. And so the reason why you numbered your paper is so that you know that your ruler is lined up to the right number. So 10 to 10, and again, I don't draw through my design. 11 to 11, I'm stopping when I get to my design. 12 to 12, and see, this is why you numbered your paper. So that way you don't make mistakes. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a time-lapse video so you can see what this will look like finished. Okay, so at this point you've gotten halfway through the entire design, and so you are going to restart at 1 and 1. So again, that is why they're numbered this way, and so I just line up my ruler and I just restart. Again, craftsmanship, slow, draw lightly, don't draw through your design, and take the time to line up your ruler. And so you just and this time I'm headed towards this corner, and I'm just taking the time to line up my ruler from dash to dash. So I'll restart the time-lapse video so you can see what it looks like finished.